Welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the second video of the geographical data tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can read and open a shapefile by using the Geopandas. So we need to import the Geopandas and another library, that is matplotlib. Okay, to install this library, use the pip command, pip install, and then matplotlib. Press enter as it shows me the message that successfully installed the matplotlib. Okay, so if I run this file now, you will see that there is no error by importing these two, Geopandas and matplotlib. Okay, it means that we are successfully importing both of these packages, that is Geopandas and matplotlib. So second one, you need to download a shape file of a map. For example, in this tutorial I am using the Pakistan map. Although this map is not valid for Pakistan, so I am using, and it is freely available in this site. Okay, and this link is mentioned in video description. You can download by going to GADM website to download any country data. Okay, so this link is mentioned in video description. You can download it. So I have already downloading the Pakistan shapefile. So now we are importing the shapefile. So here I create a variable that is shape path, and by using the geopandas jpd dot read file, and the path of the path is this one, and I want to read this file, that is get m36 underscore park underscore 1 dot shp extension. Okay, so here I paste this link and dot shp for this file. Okay, so now if I want to check whether it is correctly imported or not, so here first shape for path we can check. For example, to print out the shape path dot the head, show me some data. So if I execute this code, you will see here it shows me different data here. Okay, so now we need to plot by using the matplotlib to plot this shapefile. Okay, for this, first thing is from this path, first plot this one, and then through matplotlib, that is matplotlib.pyplot dot show me the output. If I execute this, here you can see that the shapefile is showing to me. So this is how you can show by using the geopandas a shapefile. So change color of the map. Okay, so here write the CMAP, that is equal to, and for example jet, run. Then here you can see that the map color is changed. Okay, so I'm showing to you something more uh, beautiful, beauty of the geo pandas. After changing the color, for example here I can also apply the size, okay, to large the map size by the fixed size. So here write fig and size and its value, that is for example 10 and 10. Click on run button. Then you'll see that here the size of the map is pretty large now. So through fixed size we can apply to different size of to the map. So let's see something more interesting. For example here I apply some other parameters, that is color, and the color is white, and I want the edge color that's equal to, for example, black. So let's run again. Now you will see it shows me this one. This is the basically black and white part of the image. So we use the color to all set the color with the white and the edge color with the black, and this is something like it shows us the all the boundaries. Okay, so this is how you can work with the map through the Geopandas in an easy way. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can email me at nasirsoft93@gmail.com, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.